I'm done, teacher.
Okay, so if you're done,
Done, teacher. Ready, done.
right? So I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count down now, and by the time I'm done counting, please raise your whiteboards. What number are you, Seth?
Number 2.
2. How about Zachary and Sean? Okay, Sean is number 3.
Almost done. Teacher.
Aldez? What
Not
number
yet
are you?
done. I'm at number 2.
How about Andre?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, hurry up, please. How about Eliza? What number are you, Eliza? Number 3.
Number 3.
Micah? 3. How about Johan?
Done, teacher.
I cannot see Johan.
I'm done.
Okay, let me check. Number 1, please raise your whiteboard. If you're done with number 1, raise your whiteboards. Okay, let's see. All right. I cannot see your whiteboard, Zach. Okay, Byron is almost done.
What? I'll just answer my
Right.
answer number 1.
Okay, good work.
I'm already done. I can't show.
Good work. So, how did you answer number 1? Let me call Sean. Sean, let's start with you first. So, how did you answer number 1, Sean? 300 minus 150.
I answered like this. Like,
What did you do first?
so 0 minus 0 is still 0.
Okay, it's equals
Then I
0.
put 0.
And then, what happened next?
And then 0 minus 5. So you borrow from 3 and then you mark the 0, then it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5.
Okay.
And
So,
you mark the 3, so now it was already 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 150.
okay, good job. Good work, Sean. Next, number 2. Who can help out number 2? Let me call Pyron. Pyron, can you explain how did you answer number 2? So that your classmate will know. Pyron? Where's Pyron?
Byron is muted.
Okay, Pyron, can you answer it, Pyron?
Answer. How did you get your answer?
Okay, so how did you get your answer, Pyron? Let's start with numbers on the right.
This one. Oh.
0.
0 minus 0 equals
0.
0. And then what happened next?
Borrow.
You borrow where?
4.
4. So what will happen to 4?
Become to be 3.
And then what will happen to the 0?
what happened to the 0?
Become 10.
Oh.
10. So what's the next step?
What?
What's the next step?
Then
10.
explain lang. See?
10 minus
10 minus 8.
Oh.
what's the answer?
2.
2. Okay, next.
Next.
And 3.
3.
Minus 1.
What's the answer?
2.
2. Right, good work. So 220. Right, next. How about let me call Eliza. Okay, so Eliza, how did you answer number 3, Eliza?
So you borrow 1 from 9. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 5. And take away 5. And then that's 5.
Okay, next.
In the 9, you put 8 on top.
Okay. Then what will happen next?
7. So you take away 6. And then it will become 1.
All right. Good job. All right, good work, everyone. You did a good job in answering the subtraction. So last time we studied about subtraction, but in zero form, right? Subtracting zeros. Zero subtraction. Now we're going to answer subtracting numbers without regrouping. Okay? What do you mean by without regrouping? Do you have an idea what is without regrouping? No? Okay, so if you will say without regrouping, it means you have to answer the numbers by its place value, like ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? So, example that you have here, this one. Let's read the problem first. A book has 374 pages and Jolie reads 153 pages. How many more pages does she have to read? So how many more pages? Let's start with the finding the difference. So what are the numbers? What are the given again?
4. 74. 153.
Okay, so you have exactly 374 pages and 153 pages. Right, next. Let's go over. So what's the problem? What's the question being asked?
How many more pages does she have to read?
Okay, so how many more pages does she have to read? Okay, so This time we're going to learn answering the subtraction without regrouping. So let's go over now. You need to find the difference. So you need to subtract 153 from 374. So you have the equation itself, this one right here, 374 minus 153. So how did you do it? How do you do it? So you first subtract the ones. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then what will happen next? You subtract the tens. 70. So easy, right? 374 and 153.
Equals 2.
2. And then you subtract the hundreds.
221 pages. 221 pages.
Exactly. So the problem is there is Julie still has to read 221 pages. Now let's practice.
Pages.
Who wants to answer number 1?
Me.
This is what we call a snake problem. So it's a chain problem. So we will start with the number 1 like this. Sorry.
Which one?
So you have
Let's answer after that, teacher.
start with the number. You have the number 1 followed by number 2. And then you have number 3, number 4.
Answer number 3, teacher.
And number 5. How about we will answer all number 1 first? Let's answer number 1 first. All of us will answer number 1 and teacher will check your answer.
Teacher with a whiteboard.
Yes.
Whiteboard time?
Yes.
I already have. Easy.
Let's answer number 1 first.
Yeah, it's just the lower number is smaller. Give me your whiteboard. Marker.
You're saying whiteboard marker. Just white.
You write smaller. This time, you practice writing smaller numbers.
I write big numbers. That's when I'm in very small. I'm done.
Okay, number 1 first. Number 1 first.
Teacher.
Done. If you're done, please raise your whiteboard. Let me see. Wait, first.
In the chat box.
You answer number 1, Enjoy.
Okay, let's see.
Super.
You answer it.
All right, good job.
9 - 4.
Let me see.
Oh, 9.
Not one, yeah. It's this one.
Okay, good job. All right. Good work, Eliza. Where's your answer, Zach?
My answer is 675.
Okay.
Even I will get the background of.
Mine is 675.
Yeah, that's actually correct, Seth.
Teacher, my answer
Yes.
75. Why number 2 is like 321 minus there's nothing.
I will discuss that after answering number 1. Okay, Andre got the correct answer. So let's proceed. So let's have it here. 879 minus 204. Let's start with the 1. So 9 minus 4 equals, how much do we have? 9 minus 4 equals
It's 5. It's
5.
5.
And then 7 minus 0, can you subtract number?
7.
No, so you bring down 7. So 8 minus 2,
6.
8 minus 2 is
6.
6.
175.
7, then we have 6. Okay,
My answer
now
is
you have
675.
675. This time for number 2, you subtract 321 to 675. So if you will subtract the number, how much is it? 675 minus 321.
6.
Teacher, what number are we?
Number 2.
What did you say again?
We're already number 2. So you subtract 675 minus 321.
Okay.
6. Get away there.
But how much, teacher?
Huh?
How much?
675.
How much, teacher?
What do you mean how?
21. And that teacher.
The answer from number 1, the answer from number 1, you subtract it with the number 2.
Where? Then up to what?
This one, you subtract to 321.
Okay.
354, the answer. Then why did you tell me to write this marker? Okay. Shut up.
Sure, this one, sure, 675.
Yeah, 675 minus 321.
Okay.
Okay, done?
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Not yet. 7
done.
minus 2, okay, 5. I'm done. 9 plus 3,
I'm done,
4, 6,
teacher.
3. Oh, no, sorry. No, it's okay. We're not, some of the classmates are not yet done. Okay, I'm done. Teacher, I'm done. Done. Done,
All right, so
teacher.
you have here.
Don't raise it yet.
Okay, so let's answer first
You answer
to
first.
see if you got the correct answer. So you have 675 minus 321. Now, let's go over. Let's start with the ones first. 5 minus 1 equals
4.
4. The next, 7 minus 2 equals
5.
5. Then 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the answer is 354. Raise your whiteboard if you got 354.
I already sent it in the Answer 354. 354.
Uh-oh, I guess Andre was lost with the numbering. Andre didn't answer the even numbers. 675 minus 321. Okay, Pyron, where's your answer, Pyron? Okay. See. Right.
Mine is 354.
Yes, the answer is 354. Okay, now let's go over. So you have 354. Again, the answer must be subtracted.
354.
354 minus 20. So let's place 354 here. Note that the number is 2. As what you can see, there are 2-digit numbers, right? So you just don't place the numbers like this. Example here, no, it's wrong. Always place the number in the right place value.
Not there?
So you have here your ones, and then your tens, and then your hundreds.
$334. 334.
Okay, so let's continue. 4 minus 0 equals
That is 334.
equals 4. And then you have next you have 5 minus 2 equals 5 minus 2 equals, let's see,
3. Not yet.
3. So since you cannot subtract anything with the 3, you just bring down 3. So the answer is 334. Next, 334 minus 210. 334 minus 210. Okay, so how did you answer it, Seth?
Explain.
Okay, Seth, can you explain?
134 minus 210. 4 minus 0, 4 equals 4.
Okay, 4. Next.
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Okay, 2. Next.
3 minus 2 equals 1.
Okay, 1. Right, good job. So the answer is 124. Right? Let's see, you got 124. Johan, where's your answer, Johan? Okay, Eliza got the correct answer. Okay, Johan got the correct answer. Aldous got it. Aldous. Correct. Razel got it too. Maika. Sean. Tyron. Andre. Okay, good work.
110.
Okay, next. You have the last number, last one. So you have 124 minus 14.
Like this? Answer's 110.
Okay, so let's call someone to explain. Let's have Zachary.
4 minus 4 is 0.
4 equals
Okay, 0.
And 2 minus 1 is 1. And
1.
1.
Okay, 1.
It needs to be 1. other number.
So it's
110.
110. Okay. So did you all got 110?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So I guess do you have any questions about the subtraction without regrouping?
No.
No.
No question. All right. So I guess that's it for today. If you have question, please send message to teacher in the LMS. And let's say goodbye now.